Alright, this is Damien back here with Green's Toyota, and today we're showing off a 2025 Tacoma TRD Off-road. And as you can see, it's in the beautiful Blue Rush metallic. You get the blacked out badging with it. The TRD Off-road on the side there. Beautiful TRD rims as well with the side steps, and those are 17-inch wheels. You get the black fender wells, black grille, and those are all-terrain tires as well. This does come with blind spot monitoring, lane tracing assist, dynamic cruise control, all the features of TSS or Toyota Safety Sense, automatic high beams, very nice digital gauge cluster, an 8-inch screen, AC controls, a little slot for your phones, as well as 2 charging ports and a 12-volt charging port as well. Automatic braking, auto hold. This one does have a rear locking differential as well, if you ever need to get out of a slippy surface or going off-road. It does come with your floor mats as well. 2-toned interior cloth. Very spacious in the back seat. And it does come bed lined as well. But this one only has 2 tie downs in the bed as well as your 2 strap holders in the front. Very light tailgate. It does have your trailer hitch with your trailer connections as well. And this does come with a twin turboed 4-cylinder engine. You have no problems going off-road in this beast. Come get it at Green's Toyota.